In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit System and Update. Now tap on Input Method and then Autofill for Google. Now just click on Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wanna edit. Enter your screen log, use Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!